Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Once again, welcome to the online session with today's topic is short question and word power from the diary of Annie Frank. So you can open your adopted reader book and you can open page number at the end of the lesson, page number 153. Page 153. So you would find these short question, the first two short question. The first short question is, in scene 1, what does Meep give Mr. Frank that he does not expect? That is a short question. So the answer is a bundle of papers, notes and letters. He tells her to burn them, and Annie's diary catches his attention. So the Meep gave Frank lots of paper when everything was over. So he was not expecting Annie's diary, but Meep told him that there is a diary which belonged to Annie. So that is the first short question, and this is the answer. Question number 2, you would find, why do the Franks and Van Danes go into hiding? So the second short question, why do the Franks and the Van Danes go into hiding? The answer is, when the number of call-ups for forced labor in Nazi Germany increase, the Van Pels family feels it is time to go into hiding in the secret annex. Peter's father works for Otto Frank and they agree that there is room for two families. Now call-ups means when the Nazi, they started forcefully, or rather they wanted to enforce people to do job of labor for the Nazis military. So they started coming time and again and took the people forcefully, by force. So when the number of call-ups for forced labor means a compulsion. They had to do labor and work for the army. So what happened? The Van Dane families or the Van Pels family feel it is time to go into hiding in the secret annex. So they decided that now it's the time, because if they would not go into hiding, then there was a probability that they would have been caught up. Peter's father works for the Otto Frank and they agree there is room for two families. So now they just agree, both of them, that okay, there is a secret annex and we or both families can accommodate ourselves to hide there. So these short question. Now after that, there is word power. You would find at the beginning of your drama on page 133. According to your textbook, page 133, 133. Answer the following question using one of the new words above. Write your answer in the spaces provided. So there are 8 sentences in which we have to use these vocabulary. Which word goes with in a way that supports? So reassuringly, when you say this word, it means this is in a way you support, you help someone. Reassuringly. You could find also in word power the meanings in front of these words, which means in a manner that restores confidence. Sentence number 2, which word goes with move to another country? Immigrated. So immigrated also, the meaning lifts one's country to move to another place. It's called immigrated, and it is used in the drama on page 137. Sentence number 3, which word goes with having different moods? So having different moods, mercurial means having different moods, and the meaning of mercurial, it is adjective and its mean moody, quick to change, someone's temperament that changes within no time. That's called mercurial, moody. In one time he would say one thing, and just after a while or a minute or so he would change his mind. It's called mercurial. Sentence number 4, which word goes with likely to be seen? So conspicuous means likely to be seen. According to your book's definition, this is adjective and it means easily seen, obvious. Sentence number 5, which word goes with in a nearly empty way? So in a nearly empty way, sparsely means in a nearly empty way. According to your book, it is an adverb and the meaning in an uncrowded or thinly spread way. Number 6, which word goes with the time in between? So interval means the time in between, which is obviously easy one. A length of time between events, it's called interval. Number 7, which word goes with kind and giving? So kind and giving, compassionate. So compassionate means kind and giving, and the meaning is it's an adjective, kind-hearted. So it means kind-hearted, concern. When you are concerned about something and you are kind-hearted, or you have a kind-hearted person, it will come again called compassionate, who cares about others. Number 8, which word goes with extreme dislike? Loathe. So loathe means extreme dislike, and it means to consider with extreme disgust, hate, to hate something extremely. The next question you would find according to your textbook is page 154 in word power. Page 154. Complete each sentence below using one of the following words. So you would find here 8 words, the same words, and you would use and fill in the blanks in those sentences which have been given. Sparsely, compassionate, immigrated, conspicuous, mercurial, interval, reassuringly, loathe. Number 1, in the 18s, or you can also in the 1800s, many people immigrated from Europe to the United States. Sentence number 2, because Blake's personality is so mercurial, it's hard to guess what he is going to say next. So mercurial means moody, he can change any moment. Sentence number 3, I absolutely loathe Brussels sprouts and refuse to eat them. So loathe means to dislike, to hate something very much. Number 4, because the Mojave Desert is a harsh environment in which to live, it is sparsely populated. It means that it's not very much populated, empty space. Number 5, in the long interval between her arrival at the doctor's office and the time she saw him, Carmen read an entire book. Number 6, Mr. Akibi treat straw animals in a very kind and compassionate way to take care. Number 7, Omar, I said reassuringly, you must not forget that you are the best musician in the class. And number 8, Marla's conspicuous purple hair made her stand out in the crowd. Marla's conspicuous purple hair made her stands out in the crowd. So conspicuous, visible, that can be seen among many people. Homework. Dear student, revise the above exercises, and with this drama also finished. So inshallah we would start anew. Thank you very much. Have a nice